Got a digital game card or a virtual game card for your Nintendo Switch? Redeeming it is quick and simple. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to activate and start playing your new game in no time. Let's dive in. So, a virtual game card is basically a digital code that gives you access to a full Nintendo Switch game. To use it, turn on your Switch and go to the virtual game cards option here. Open it up. Now select your user profile. Here you will find all your available virtual game cards. These cards show up when you purchase games from Nintendo eShop or if you get gifts from someone to your account. That topic will be covered on another video. For this, let's discover the usage of virtual game cards. Now just select any of the games from here. You'll find a few options. Load on this system means the game will load on your Switch if you select it. Load on other system basically means you can load it to another Switch that is connected to your Nintendo account. Lend to family group member means exactly what it sounds. But you do not need to create a family group though. Now let's just select load on this system for now. And your Switch will load the game card. Hit OK and go back to the home screen. As you can see, the game card has been successfully loaded. And that's a wrap on how to use virtual game cards on the Nintendo Switch. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome gaming tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.